In this way, you mentioned that there are bureaucrats who are involved, who have turned into party workers. You mentioned a certain figure, the IAS and IPS officers who are working at the behest of the Trinamool Congress party. So you have identified those bureaucrats that you want.
I have.
So what is the next step?
I have identified them, and they know that I have identified them. They are acting not as political workers, but as frontline political workers.
The IAS and IPS officers.
They have become stakeholders in the ruling party coming back to power. It is not my job to play politics. Political parties can go the way they wish to. But if administrative apparatus is misused, if public servants act as political workers, I step in. My only word of caution to them is, they are playing with fire. There will be serious consequences. Their act is culpable. It constitutes crime in law.
You mean to say this IPS and IAS officers are constituting a crime in law?
No. If a public servant engages in political activity, that is misconduct in service. But if you become stakeholders, it is crime. And I have reports of both these scenarios. I only hope they will get wiser before it is too late. We cannot allow public servants to destroy our democracy by acting for political purposes. It is written in their conduct, be politically neutral. Let me tell you, the problem is so serious. I wrote to Chief Secretary and DGP, send a message to your people, they have to be politically neutral. They have not been able to send this message. It's part of the rule, which means even Chief Secretary and DGP are liable for their acts of omission and commission. Their failure to so act means they are promoting this kind of a culture where public servants can act politically. And this is something which law does not allow, Constitution does not allow. And this cannot be allowed to happen.
In such a scenario, now the party has also gone on an offensive against you, stating that the ruling party, Trinamool Congress, stating that you are behaving like an opposition leader as a BJP leader.
Ignore it, you see. Unless you find substance in that, ask a question. The governor commits himself in writing. The governor has been writing to the Chief Minister. That is in black and white. Let her respond. She did respond once, running into several pages. And you know how it ended. I confine only to Constitution, script of Constitution, and take command only from Constitution. But I cannot appear to be weak or spineless. I'll be cautious, careful, full of optimism, ever in the hope things can look up. But if my patience, perseverance will be misunderstood as weakness, they are mistaken. As regards what they are doing is a serial, they do it every day. It has no impact on me. They have a locust team also on Twitter. I would lend my ears seriously, not only to political party, to anyone who will point out to me, Governor, this is the step you have taken. According to us, this is beyond your power. I am open to correction. No such input has come to me. If you get any such input, you can see my communications and my tweets. I'll be happy to react to it.
সমস্ত খবরের তৎক্ষণাৎ আপডেট পেতে সাবস্ক্রাইব বাটনটি ক্লিক করে বেল বাটনটি ক্লিক করুন।
আরও খবরের আপডেট পেতে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন আমাদের ইউটিউব চ্যানেলটি আর বেল আইকনে ক্লিক করুন নোটিফিকেশনস পেতে।